Chef here, real quick video about selecting the correct knife for the correct application here. I've got a tomato, pop the top off. I've got a tomato knife. Basically it's a serrated round tip knife, ideal for tomatoes. We're going to cut this baby right in half like this, okay? And then we're going to remove the core part like this. And then we're going to just cut it into some nice wedges. First we cut it right down the middle, and then we cut each wedge into just a few like this. Now if you're making a salad and these wedges are too big, just simply cut them right in half, but maintain the nice form of the tomato. By the way, very nice cuts there. By the way, I'm using a cut glove to protect my hands. This stops the knife blade. Sent me some more of these gloves. This is an unusual glove, by the way. This is 100% made in USA, braided stainless steel. It stops knives. So it's a great tool to have if you know someone who does a lot of cooking. Mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, niece, nephew, whoever it is. Maybe it's just the girl next door. You want to give a gift to them, so this is the perfect thing. Watch this. This knife is a layered Damascus Japanese knife. This knife is kind of like the GTR or Ferrari or Rolls-Royce of knives. Super, super sharp. Very, very expensive. I think this one's over $200. Look. Safe. No cuts. My hands are very valuable. I don't like them cut. That's why I wear the glove. You wear the glove on the opposite hand when you're doing your dicing and slicing so that you can't cut yourself. This stops knives. Now, some people don't believe it, so here, I'll switch it to the other hand. It's reversible. And I got this other Japanese knife. What do we have here? Nakano. Nakano sent me the knife to test out. It's a Santoku. It's okay. On a 1 to 10, I give this knife a solid 8. Let's check out the Nakano sharpness. It's in the knife category. It's sharp. It's looking good. And this stops the cuts. There's no cuts. Hit your fingers. No problem. So, this one's worn out. So what do? Visit the sponsor. The gloves come large, like I wear. I have a big hand and big feet. Size 12 feet, large hands. They come large, they come medium, and they come small. 3 sizes. Perfect for the ladies with the little hands. The glove's made to be loose fitting. It's not a tight fitting glove. Slides on and off. Put it in the dishwasher. Put it in the laundry machine. It doesn't matter how you wash it. Let it air dry. It's good to go. This glove is probably 10 years old. It's still going. So visit the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock. Like I said, 100% made in USA. That's the difference between shopping small, buying from a small business in the USA, and buying all the cheap garbage that's mass marketed by the big merchant. You know who they are. Yeah, why buy the garbage over there? That's not going to be made in USA. Braided stainless steel. It's got a white nylon coating for comfort. This glove will last. I'm going to guess it will last you 10 to 20 years, using it heavily. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Visit the sponsor. Shop small and have a wonderful holiday season. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Okay, to cut an onion paper thin, I'm using a non-stick Japanese knife, and this one here is razor sharp, and I can cut that onion paper thin. As you can see, you can basically see through my onion slices. This is all the onion I'm looking for right here, but I wanted to show you just how thin you can get it with the right knife. So easy, minimal effort. That's what I'm talking about right there. Butternut squash. Paper thin slices can be achieved with these Japanese knives. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Check it out at the sponsor right there. Oh yeah, it's the good stuff. Once again, stainless steel glove stops the knife blade. No cuts. Sirloin steak. Nice thin. A simple steak salad here. We've got some hard-boiled eggs, tomatoes, butternut squash, a couple kinds of greens, and we finish with oh yeah, more salt. That's how he likes it. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us right down there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, that right there is a perfect chopped basil. in one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. Now by looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product a little thicker that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Plastic bag. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah, looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many more years. Looking really good now. Yeah, the other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. And get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.